Hello everyone, I am Shama. Today we are going to do one question over here. The question is we have to find the value of a and b. The question is 7 plus root 5 upon 7 minus root 5 minus 7 minus root 5 upon 7 plus root 5 equals to a plus 7 by 11 root 5b. Now we have to find the values of a and b. Now 7 plus root 5 upon 7 minus root 5. First of all, we have to find the rationalizing factor of 7 minus root 5 is 7 plus root 5. From that, we have to rationalize numerator and denominator. In second term, 7 minus root 5 upon 7 plus root 5, we have to take the rationalizing factor of 7 plus root 5 is 7 minus root 5. From 7 minus root 5, we will rationalize numerator and denominator. Now see how to rationalize it. Now see here 7 plus root 5 upon 7 minus root 5. Taking rationalizing factor of 7 minus root 5 is 7 plus root 5 upon 7 plus root 5. Now we are rationalizing first this term and then we will rationalize second term. Now see here, this one is 7 plus root 5 multiplied by 7 plus root 5 upon a minus b, a plus b. It is based on the identities, that is a square minus b square. This equals to a plus b, a minus b. So we can write 7 square minus root 5 square. Using the identities, that is a square minus b square, this equals to a plus b and a minus b. Now 7 plus root 5 multiplied by 7 plus root 5, this is twice, so we can write 7 plus root 5 whole square upon a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. In this form we have formed it a square minus b square. Now 7 square is 49 minus root 5 multiplied by root 5, we will get 5. So write here 5. Now expanding 7 plus root 5 in the form of a plus b whole square, we can expand it, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. We will expand a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now see here, 7 is in a and root 5 is in b. So we can expand a square plus b square, that is root 5 whole square plus 2 into a, 7 into b, root 5 upon 44. Now 7 square is 49 and root 5 multiplied by root 5, we will get 5 plus 2 into 7, that is 14 root 5 upon 44. Now adding this 49 plus root 5, we will get 54 plus 14 root 5 upon 44. Now this we can assume equation 1. Now again here second term we have 7, again we will rationalize second term, that is 7 minus root 5 upon 7 plus root 5. Now taking the rationalizing factor of 7 plus root 5 is 7 minus root 5. So we will rationalize with 7 minus root 5 upon 7 minus root 5. Now here we see a 7 minus root 5 multiplied by 7 minus root 5 is twice, so it becomes 7 minus root 5 whole square upon a plus b, and a minus b equals to a square minus b square. So it can be 7 square minus root 5 whole square. Now we will expand 7 minus root 5 in the identities, that is a minus b whole square. This equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. In this form we will expand numerator. Now see here, that is 7 square minus 2 into a, 7 into b root 5 plus b square, that is root 5 whole square, upon 7 square, that is 49, minus root 5 square, that is 5. Now we will get 49 minus 14 root 5 plus 5 upon 44. Now here 49 plus 5 we will get 54 minus 14 root 5 upon 44. Now this is 2. Now we will use these two equation in place of this. Okay. Now see here, 54 plus 14 root 5 upon 44 minus 54 minus 14 root 5 upon 44. This equals to a plus 7 upon 11 root 5 b. Now taking the LCM, we will get 54 plus 14 root 5 minus 54 minus and minus will becomes plus, that is 14 root 5 upon 44. This equals to a plus 7 upon 11 root 5 b. Now see here, 54 is positive and 54 is negative, so it can be cut. One is positive and one is negative, so we can cut it. Now 14 root 5 plus 14 root 5 will becomes 28 root 5 upon 44. This equals to a plus 7 upon 11 root 5 b. Now we can reduce 28 and 44 with 4. 4 sevens are 28, 4 11s are 44. Now this becomes 7 root 5 upon 11 equals to a plus 7 upon 11 root 5 b. Now in place of a we get here 0, so we can write 0 plus 7 root 5 upon 11 plus equals to a plus 7 upon 11 root 5 b. Now equating coefficient of a and b. So here a is 0 and b, see here, write b 7 upon 11 root 5 b equals to 7 upon 11 root 5. So we have now 7 upon 11 root 5 will be cut, so b equals to 1. So our answer is a equals to 0 and b equals to 1. So the values of a and b is a equals to 0 and b equals to 1. This is our answer. Okay. Thank you.